Imagine waking up to find that your knowledge and creativity have earned you money overnight without lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's possible. In this episode, we're revealing how you can turn your expertise into a reliable income stream through online courses and digital products. Welcome back to our Income Generation Strategies series. Today, we're diving into the world of online content creation for passive income. Whether you're an expert in your field or have a passion to share, your knowledge can become a powerful tool for building wealth. We'll explore two proven strategies: creating online courses and selling digital products. First, let's talk about creating online courses. This strategy allows you to turn your expertise into a product that generates income repeatedly. Think of it as packaging your knowledge into a virtual classroom that students can access anytime. Income can be significant. Some course creators earn 6 or 7 figures annually from their courses. Challenges include creating high-quality course content, marketing your course effectively, and standing out in a competitive market. Choose a topic you're passionate about and that has market demand. Focus on providing real value to your students. Use email marketing and social media to promote your course. Consider Pat Flynn, who created courses on affiliate marketing and podcast launching, generating substantial passive income. Let's evaluate using our side hustle matrix. Difficulty to start, 3 out of 5, requires significant upfront work to create the course. Difficulty to make $100 a month, 3 out of 5. Depends on course quality and marketing efforts. Difficulty to maintain, 2 out of 5. Once created, maintenance is minimal. Now, let's shift to digital products, an equally powerful way to monetize your knowledge. Digital products can take many forms, but they all share one thing in common. They solve a problem or fulfill a need for your target audience. Digital products come in many forms. Here are some popular examples. Ebooks on niche topics like mastering sourdough baking or minimalist interior design. Printable planners or budget trackers. Photoshop actions or Lightroom presets for photographers. Customizable resume templates. Stock photo collections. Music or sound effect libraries. Digital art or illustrations. Spreadsheet templates for business or personal finance. Website themes or plugins. The key is to create something that solves a specific problem or fulfills a particular need for your target audience. You create a digital product once, then sell it multiple times through your website or platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Income varies based on the product and your marketing efforts. Some creators earn thousands monthly from a single digital product. Main challenges include creating a product that solves a real problem, effectively marketing your product, and handling customer support. Start by identifying a problem your target audience faces. Create a product that solves this problem. Use social media and email marketing to promote your product. Let's evaluate using our side hustle matrix. Difficulty to start, 3 out of 5, requires time to create the product. Difficulty to make $100 each month, 3 out of 5. Depends on product quality and marketing. Difficulty to maintain, 2 out of 5. Minimal ongoing work once the product is created. Regardless of the strategy you choose, there's one golden rule that underpins all successful online ventures. Provide genuine value and build trust with your audience. Remember, your audience's trust is your most valuable asset. Here's how to nurture it. 1. Always prioritize quality. Whether it's an online course or a digital product, make sure it's the best you can produce. 2. Be authentic. Share your real experiences, including failures. This builds relatability and trust. 3. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create content that addresses their needs and questions. 4. Continually educate yourself. Stay updated with trends in your niche to ensure you're always providing current and relevant information. 5. Don't oversell. While monetization is the goal, your primary focus should be on providing value. The sales will follow naturally when your audience trusts you. By focusing on value and trust, you're not just creating a passive income stream, you're building a sustainable business and a loyal community around your brand. There you have it. 2 powerful strategies to turn your knowledge into a sustainable income stream. Remember, patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn are key to success. Start with the method that aligns with your strengths and interests, and don't hesitate to experiment. Before we wrap up, I'm going to share a little-known tip that can potentially double your income from any of these strategies. Make sure you stick around for this game-changing advice. If you're creating an online course, don't stop there. Offer related digital products, coaching services, or an ebook to complement the course. This strategy not only amplifies your income potential, but also strengthens your authority in the niche. Start with one method that aligns with your skills and interests, and don't be afraid to experiment. Ready for that game-changing tip? Here's how you can maximize your income. Diversify within your niche. With dedication and the right strategy, you can build a sustainable passive income stream through online courses and digital products. In our next episode, we'll explore more exciting income generation strategies. Make sure to tune in. Until then, keep creating and stay on the path to financial freedom.